Hello guys, I'm Alan and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an advanced Fillmed injecting strategy known as the Domino supporting point injection method. We will explore how targeting specific support points, both the inner and outer contours, can enhance facial dimensions and contours. From key inner points like the nasal base to outer points like the queen point, this technique aims for a lifted, youthful look with minimal products. Stick around as we dive into these advanced strategies and demonstrate their effects. Hello guys, I'm Alan. Today I will introduce an advanced Fillmed injecting strategy. It's called Domino supporting point injection method. We know that the facial bone shape of each person is very important. It directly affects the three-dimensionality of our face. Corresponding to the facial bone structure are the various support points on the face and also related facial ligaments. So our domino supporting point injection is precisely aimed at injecting at bone support points and true ligament points from the inner contour to the outer contour and then to the larger outer contour of the face. Let's first take a look. What points does it include on our face? Firstly, let's see the inner contour section, including nasal base, maxillary ligament, tear trough. Last is zygomatic cutaneous ligament. These four ligament support points constitute the most important supportiveness for the first facial level contour. It can determine the dimensionality of our face. How do we usually evaluate the three-dimensionality of a human face? We can make a vertical line from the center of the eyebrows, passing through the nasal base area. Obviously, our model is a typical East Asian concave facial shape. However, the maxilla of most Europeans and Americans is relatively protruding. They are convex facial type, so their facial features appears more defined. Therefore, by raising these four support points, we are not only improving the facial depression, but also give the inner control a more defined presentation. Fillmed volume is a hyaluronic acid filler with excellent supportability. It can effectively meet our needs of facial supportiveness. That all support points of our inner contour. Next, we will introduce the support ligament points of the outer contour, which includes the queen point, thickened area on the outer side of auricular writing ligament, zygomatic ligament, and mandibular ligament. Connect these four ligament points together. It happens to be the boundary between our inner and outer contours. These points are also the main bone support for our facial contours when they expand outwards. The first point we will break down is the queen point. We know that Asians generally have a problem of insufficient eyebrow bone support. By injecting at this point, it can significantly elongate the brow bone and elevate the corners of the eyes. But here, if we inject too much into the temple region, may lead to an ineffective result, which is the thickened area on the outer side of orbital ligament will not be lifted. Therefore, we should inject into the orbital ligament instead. This has a noticeable effect of elongating the eyes by opening the outer corners of the eyes. Then, let's move to other important support points. Zygomatic ligaments on the middle face, mandibular ligament on the lower face. By injecting at this point can achieve a smoother jawline and reduce marionette line simultaneously. These are the four most important supporting ligament points on the intersection line of our inner and outer contours. Last, let's discuss the extended outer contour. For those who have already done a lot of mid-face filling, they may really worry about the problems of getting pillow face. Therefore, they prefer to inject at outer contour to solve the sagging of our mid-face and lower mid-face. We should apply injections on extended outer contour to produce a lifted effect for the lower face. The four important support points for the extended outer contour of the face, including superior temporal septal ligament, inferior temporal septum, anterior auricular basal ligament, and the platysma auricular ligament. Through these four ligament points injection, similar to how tendons support a tent, lifting up your entire face by points, making the highlights move up and the contour lines smoother. This is also in line with our current aesthetic concept, which called the juvenile look. The previous facial injection techniques are more often inputting filler between cavities. This would cost a relatively large amount of dosage to enhance the outer contour. At least 20 syringes of product are typically required. Fillmed adheres to the philosophy that less is more. It aims to maximize the effectiveness of supporting with the minimal amount of product. So we rely on 4 support points. The principle is like setting up a tent. Rather than filling cavities, achieve the result of lifting the entire face. Upward in the highlights point, get a better 3-dimensional sense of the face, at the same time looking more youthful and tiny, which conform to the Fillmed brand philosophy. These are all the support points on the 3-level ladder of our face. Of course, each of us has different facial contours and foundations, so a professional evaluation should be conducted before injection to identify which points require injection, which points don't require injection. Fillmed also have a very classic product called Universal. It's one of a few anti-aging hyaluronic acid products on the market. It's made for the treatment of volumetric deficiencies. For example, a typical volume loss in the infraorbital area. Also, anti-aging treatments for the oral area. The combination of these 2 products provides an excellent balance of deep and superficial effects. It not only enhances bone structure, but also adds volume to achieve anti-aging effects. Fillmed's 2 hyaluronic acid products each have distinct characteristics and benefits. We could perform combination injections. Additionally, we can customize individualized treatment plans. That's for all today's aesthetic presentation. Next, we will proceed with the complete injection demonstration. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Domino supporting point injection method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Next time, we will be showcasing a live injection demonstration, so stay tuned for that. See you in the next video.